Welcome back, Kuradangerz. Thank you for visiting. So today, as you can read in the title, we got a new sexy lingerie, mga kadangs. And this time, this brand is from Finetoo, mga kadangs. And this brand is, makikita mo to sa Shopee. And this brand is also very affordable. So if you are excited and if you are interested to see what I've got today, please subscribe in the Kuradangerz channel. Just click the button below and of course ring the bell so that you will be notified if ever we are going to upload another video. Alright, mga kadangs, are you excited? Because I'm so very excited to share this to you, mga kadang. So, I've got right here a powder blue or dust blue. This is my first time to have this color in my lingerie collection, mga kadangs. And this is from Finetoo nga. Ayan yung ano yung mga kadangs brand. So, this brand is so very affordable as what I've said before. And alam ko na talagang very excited kayo sa sexy lingerie ng Finetoo. And me too, diba? So, this is it. Pansit. So, ayan mga kadangs. Ito yung lingerie natin. Very sexy and very nice quality. Charan! O, diba? Very nice. Plain design, but so very sexy. Look at that. It's an elastic garter right here. Parang pa G-string sa may hips niya mga kadangs. And ito ang kanyang detail sa front. Very plain lang siya mga kadangs, but yung tela niya or cloth niya is like a knitted. Ganyan. O diba, knitted. Very nice yung mga kadangs, no? Very comfy to wear. And ito yung sa back. Very nice pa rin yung back niya, mga kadangs. May pa, very nice cut pa rin. Kahit may konting pag-conservative yung kanyang cut. But, yeah. Very nice and very classy na design. And dito, meron siyang elastic dyan, mga kadangs. Yung brand niya. May pasulat yun sa brand niya na Finetoo. And yeah, very nice. Very nice quality. And yeah, cotton, very soft. I think this kind of cloth is so very comfy to wear, mga kadangs. Alright, next for our collection for today is another Finetoo pa rin na brand, of course. And taran, this is parang dust purple or I don't know. I really don't know how to describe the color of this lingerie. Well, anyway, let's get into this lingerie, mga kadangs. So, ayan siya. As you can see in the front, very see-through siya, mga kadangs. Oh, diba? Look at that. Very see-through detail. Parang net. Yeah, mesh or net, whatever. And yung pa dito sa kanyang garter is meron siyang Finetoo. And yung back design niya is like this. Very conservative cut, but look at that. Very see-through pa rin yan, mga kadangs. Very nice quality panty, mga kadangs. I think Finetoo is very nice. Kahit affordable lang itong mga panty na to. Very nice yung mga ano nila, mga kadangs. Yung mga panty nila. Ayan siya, mga kadangs. And dito is meron siyang pa-cotton dyan sa kanyang salaforda. Very nice lingerie from Finetoo. So, if you really like our lingerie for today, so, arat na sa Shopee and then hanapin nyo yung Finetoo. Disclaimer, hindi ito sponsored by Finetoo lingerie, mga kadangs. Binili ko po itong mga panty na itong mga kadangs with my own money, mga kadangs. So, this is not a sponsored video or sponsored promotion of their product. I just share this brand to you, mga kadangs. Maganda naman talaga yung quality nila, mga kadangs, kahit affordable sila, mga kadangs. Alright, so thumbs up ba ang ating lingerie ngayon, mga kadangs, no? If you really like our lingerie for today, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do hit the button below, mga kadangs. And of course, see you na lang sa ating next video. Bye!